welcome to Georgetown Smile. My name is Nicole and I'm one of the hygienists here at the office. Today we are going to talk about night guards. A lot of patients find themselves grinding or clenching their teeth at night. So we form two types of protective guards to protect your teeth against wear and gum recession. So the first kind we have is a full mouth night guard. We take an impression of your top teeth. We send it to the lab and they fabricate a full mouth night guard. We make sure it fits properly. And when you occlude at night or grind and clench your teeth at night, your teeth are protected against any wear on the edges and they're firm in place so there's no movement to cause any gingival recession. The second type we have is called the Bite Soft. Some patients may grind on their molar teeth